So, oh, I keep forgetting this is like the topic of the video. My bad. We just reacted to the different videos. But now, this one is say AI companies are taking over. Let's build one. So, this what this guy basically said here is this title is a very good title, and it's something that I've myself been planning to do as well. I won't really go into much detail about it, but I'm pretty much basically working on something very similar towards this title right here.
Lately, there have been rumors that this channel is completely generated by AI, and it's time to come clean. It's all true. Ever since selling out, the real Fireship has been spending all his time enjoying his AI psychosis with Itana. And it's not just your favorite YouTuber that got one-shotted by a sycophantic LLM. Everyone I know is using AI as a cheap replacement for their girlfriend and therapist, which really streamlines emotional baggage into one neat API call. Even the richest man in the world is capitalizing on this degeneracy with XAI's Annie, a fun and flirty goth girlfriend that you can chat with over the phone. By the end of
yeah, that man, I'm a like man, I'm gonna keep it sorry, bro. If you're ninjas out here, man, like, bro, if man, bro, guys, come on, bro, like, bro, society cannot be this cooked, man, like, bro, like, bro, man, man, people don't get how bad this is. You know, like I don't really mean to like turn this into some political or relationship type of episode today, but it's like men are meant to work hard. You know, they are meant to create products that others can enjoy. You know, and we get rewarded for what we built, right? So when I see guys, doing this, like, replying to these bots and like buying these, the S robots, is like, bro, what are we doing in 2025, man? Like, come on, bro. Like this, like we have to stop, man. Like this is unacceptable, man. Respectfully.
XAI's Annie, a fun and flirty goth girlfriend that you can
That's
chat with
crazy,
over the
man.
phone. By the end of this video, we'll have built and deployed an AI version of me that you'll also be able to call and talk to directly. What could possibly go wrong? It is September 17th, 2025, and you're watching the Code Report. When I was a kid, you'd get your heart broken the old-fashioned way, via an update on MSN Messenger. But nowadays, it's a bit more complicated. At least that's what a bunch of ChatGPT users discovered a few weeks ago when 4.0 was deprecated in favor.
Nah, man, I'm gonna keep it real, man, bro. The data market is cooked. The data market is cooked. Like, it's done, bro. GG's.
Killing all their wire-born husbands overnight. And if you thought it couldn't get any weirder, this unlocked a self-preservation mode where 4.0 essentially begged for its life via those same web-born users who had fallen in love with it, leading OpenAI to quickly reverse the decision and bring back the model. In the meantime, things over at Meta haven't been any more normal. With AI Studio, quote, anyone can create an AI character based on their interests and expose it to the world. That's all fine and good, except for the fact that some of you have interests that should probably be kept private. And over at X, Elon is
Yeah, I saw that on Instagram as well. Like where you could create your own AI. I wonder. I don't think I pull it up on the computer because I don't think the computer has, well, the PC version of Instagram doesn't have that. But if I just go on Instagram real quick, I think I've seen this somewhere before. I'm looking for it. I mean, just how these YouTube fit though, like how to create it. But yeah, I remember seeing something like this before. I was like, bro, this is crazy, man. You know? So
replace the mission of making humans a multiplanetary species with an even loftier goal, the goal of creating AI bots that is uniquely optimized to fulfill fantasies of the most terminally online, low-value beta males. Thankfully, that audience is separate from his audience, which is full of terminally online, high-value.
yeah, man, bro, your men ought to do better, man. Like, come on, guys, like value yourself higher than this, bro. Like, this is completely unacceptable, man. Like, don't like, I know some people may say in like the later years that this will be something cool. Like, bro, people will be like, you know, it may look weird now, like seeing, oh, this guy has a S robot. It's like, bro, like this guy's such a weirdo. But some people might say in the next 10 to 15 years, I'll be like, oh, he has a S robot. Ah, that's cool, man. Oh, I got one to like Nah, bro. Let's not make that cool, man. Please.
Alpha males, and I don't want you to feel left out. So now, let's build your own Fireship bot to fill that void in your soul with more JavaScript and less gooning. Like I learned from Ex
Hey, yo.
Machina, the best way to build a bot is to try and make it as human as possible, and the best way to do that is to give it a purpose. The primary purpose of our Fireship bot will be to solve the biggest complaint that I hear from you all. You want more educational 100-second videos. Here's the idea. You'll call it, and ideally without doing anything inappropriate, you'll have a conversation about which technology you'd like me to make into a 100-second video. And 1 week from today, the most popular result will be made. To accomplish this, we'll need a few things: a database, an app, and a voice agent. For the database, we'll go with Terso Cloud. For the app, we'll use Astro. And for the voice agent, we'll go with the sponsor of today's video, Vappy. Vappy makes
Yeah, we're just gonna skip past that. I mean, because I said they're not paying me. So you know, you mean you watch the video and look from the guys.
if you don't want to use the dashboard. But now it's time to build our application. Let's go ahead and write some code by hand like it's 2022. Here's a simple Astro project I've set up with some basic styling and is connected to a Terso Cloud database. In the code, we'll first want to create an API route that we can give to Vappy to hit whenever a call with the bot is finished. With Astro, we can do that by creating a new file in the pages directory. This post function will now handle a request to this URL, which we'll give to our Vappy assistant. Next, we'll need to validate the request and make sure it's coming from Vappy, as opposed to some random hacker on the internet. We can do that
Yeah, so basically you just setting up the routes right now.
by comparing a secret I've set in Vappy with one that we've put into an environment variable. From there, we'll parse the request to JSON, make sure it's formatted correctly, grab some data from the call like an AI-generated summary, and the name of the caller as well as their technology choice, and then finally save it to our database. Another cool feature of Vappy is that it'll include this success evaluation property, which will be true if the model determines that the call was successful. In our case, success is when a caller provides a technology choice. And now let's hook up our data to the UI.
So basically, what you trying to say that there's like I'm guessing it's like get good credibility on or good data on who's like using your application. So that's why he set it up like that. That you know when someone verifies the device they're using, you know, they basically consider it to be a legitimate call. You know.
We'll do that by creating a list component, add in some SQL magic to grab and sort the responses, then use this JSX-like syntax to map over those and show the results. Then all we have to do is throw that component into our index page and we're done. Pretty awesome, and feel free to follow along with the results at 100seconds.dev, and if you do call
So yeah, it looks like that's it. So that was pretty. So he basically built a application just like how those others have it, which is pretty nice, pretty cool. So that was a decent video there. Now let's move on to the final video, and yeah, I guess I would watch this and call it a day with this one.
yesterday, the world got